Well, hey everybody, just wanted to come back on here really quickly because I have to update you on the fried cauliflower. So this is always one of my favorite things to eat when we have a holiday or a get-together or whatever. It's just me and my husband this year. We are having a blast cooking in the kitchen, and I just want to show you guys. I've already cut one of these cauliflowers, but wait until you see. I already cut this. Look at inside. So you do not cook the cauliflower first. If you want nice, tender cauliflower, that is absolutely delicious. It's just soft enough to bite into, but not crispy hard. It's perfect. And with the ingredients that I used for the coating, and I did add a little bit of garlic powder to that after I showed you guys. And then just fried it in some vegetable oil, and this is how it comes out. Really, really tasty. Really, really good. So let me know if you guys try this. They are so good. And if they cool off and you want to reheat them and you have an air fryer, put them in the air fryer. They will be absolutely delicious. But like I said, they are totally edible cold. This is so good, you guys.
What are you doing,
okay. So I have to go tend to Noah, who is really excited about Thanksgiving too. For some reason, he sees that big turkey and he wants some. So, okay, I will see you guys soon. Word of the day is delicious. So put that in the comment section for the word of the day for this. And like this video. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed so that you could be eligible to win one of my many giveaways that I do at least once a month, but sometime on my live streams and different videos and things like that. So again, the word of the day is delicious, because these are delicious, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. If you missed the how to make fried cauliflower video, go back and watch that. And that also has a word of the day, so comment on that one. And all of the videos from October 13th until right now, or until I tell you to stop, and today is Thanksgiving Day, comment on all of those, the word of the day, and you still have a chance to win the dehydrator that I'm going to be giving away once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So please share the video and get the word out there. See you guys soon.